Welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just did get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Thank you. So today we want to talk about this our sister. First of all, today's topic na about children. How to train our children. The Bible says, train up a child in the way it should grow, and when it's old, it will not depart from it. How you take train your children is very, very important. Because if your children see you as the father, especially the father, they do something, you go like to test that thing. You go feel say the thing na normal thing wey be say all children fit do. You go feel say na normal thing wey person fit do for life. Maybe for instance you dey beat your wife. If you grow up, your son see you say you dey do that, he go feel say na e right, na normal thing. So if you dey do something, try to avoid it, because children, they are photocopy. They are just like photocopy. Anything you do na wetin they will grow up come do. So we need to be careful for the way we dey behave, because this story wey I wan talk so is about this man. This our sister na bring this matter come. She first tell me about this matter I think 4 months ago, abi 3 months ago. She tell me about this matter. I say okay, you want make I bring am to the platform, because I feel say na matter wey be say people go still learn from. Men go learn from it, women go learn from it, everybody, even children go learn from it. She say no, say she no want put her matter for social media, so na no, na wetin person no send me I no dey do. I say okay, if you say so. But when e come red, no be her eye, she come tell me say abeg bring am come out, before I come bring am come out. So this our sister, so she say her father na twins, na im dem be. Her father na twins, boys. Then he marry the mother, he come born 2 of them, 2 girls for the mother. The father na hunter. He dey go do all this hunter na, when all the hunter na people wey dey go bush, go forest, go use gun kill animals, carry come house. Na the father dey do, na the father twin brother dey do too. So na wetin they just dey do for their house that time. So not knowing that the father twin brother, he come go buy gun, he come go buy am credit, he no pay. Then they draw the money, he no gree pay. Say because 2 of them, the father twin brother get strong heart, while him own father get soft heart. The father, he say him own father na a very lovely father, he get soft heart, because everybody for the area know them, they know their character. So being and they be twins, they resemble well. Say one day the father just go forest, he wan go kill animal. Na there he just see say somebody shoot the father. Na so the father take go. They come dey find am, he no come house. Before they know wetin dey happen, they come see am say he don already go, he dey ground. They come bury am, not knowing that na the people wey the twin brother buy, the father twin brother buy gun from, wey he no pay. They come dey think say na the brother, they no know say na him. So na after he death, before they come know say na the wrong person na they kill. So finally they come still kill this twin brother, they say in the same process again for inside forest when they go hunt animal. Now they come still finally shoot am, he come die. But already he papa don already die, because na wetin he no know and no two na him follow because of his twins brother. So he just can't go like that. And he say his father na a very lovely man. The father and the mother, they love themselves so much, and the mother come verse say, as far as say this his husband, he don die, he can never be with any man. She go keep herself till death. She will never allow any man to touch her, and she go take care of these 2 children wey God give her. And na the promise wey the mother make, the mother strong go for the children, she alone strong go to take care of she and her sister, before she come finally get help to take come Europe. No, so when she come Europe, she just still dey okay. She sabi sing well. If you sing today, go be like say heaven wan fall, you know. God bless her with good voice, so people dey like her song. So she dey go different places, dey go sing, she still dey get money. Na so she take dey get small money before e come meet this man. This man come tell am say he no wan make dey go sing everywhere again, make he no sing again, make he come, he wan marry am. And really she no get documents, this man get kpali, this man come marry am, he pay bride price, he do all the marriage wey dem dey do, he marry am come put am for house, he come still give am documents. So na the man dey take care of she before she come born one, she come born two. Na the man still dey take care of them. But you see at that time, the way the man come take dey behave, the man dey behave one kind, sometimes he go beat am, sometimes he go dey shout, say he come feel say na because say na only him one na him dey take the responsibility of the family, na him make the man dey behave like this. He say so this man need assistance, say maybe if he see assistance, if she fit dey support for the family, maybe this character this man no go do am again. So for that reason she come go dey find work after she don born the second pikin. She come go find work, despite say the country wey dem still dey dem still dey do all this family and child support, dem still dey collect something from there. Na the man dey collect everything, say no dey drag am with the man because he know say na the man be maggi, na the man be salt, na the man be everything for house. So he just still dey try to manage herself. He say when she come start work, dem come dey pay her almost 1,000 plus, almost 1,500 if I'm not mistaken. Na the man come tell am say since you don dey work now, this your money, we don dey get more money for the family, you need to dey save money for our children so that our children go grow up come get money for account. He come say na good idea, but the man come say make dem dey remove the money comot for bank, make dem dey save am for ukpagolo, wetin dem dey call ukpagolo, all this cup wey dey get hole wey dem dey put money, wey dem dey save money. I no know wetin dem dey call am for English, more na no vex me, I no go cut my tongue. So that ukpagolo na dem come dey put the salary inside, dey put money inside. So when the money come big, e come reach like 6k, na there this man come o, he say him brother wan do operation for Nigeria, dem need money gbogbo. He say dem come carry the money come out, he come send am go give him people for house. He come stay quiet, he no talk because he still remember where rain for beat am, say this man na give am document, na this man na FSC dey take care. Make una judge this matter whether she do wrong or she do right. He say come still swallow spit. He say then the man come still bring another cup again, ukpagolo. He say make dem dey put money, make dem save. This time around dem go save am for the pikin, nothing go happen again. Dem come save. This time e come reach 10k. Before you know wetin dey happen, the man carry money, he go house again. He say him brother when he carry am come abroad, na so he wan buy bus for am, na so he wan help am, na that him brother carry am come abroad, he carry money, he give him brother. He say come sit quiet, he come swallow spit. He come see bell ukpagolo come again, which is the third time. He say make dem dey put money. This time around, this man no come dey house again o. He come travel go another country, say he dey go find work. He say na so he dey travel, sometimes he go spend 6 months, sometimes he go spend 4 months. He go say he dey go find work, he go go UK because no say na kpali he get now, he fit go anywhere wey he wan go. He go go Canada, he go go UK, he go go here, he go go there. He go say he dey go work, he go spend 6 months, sometimes sef a year before he go come. And this time around wey he come be say this man our brother dey travel, so the bancomat he go leave am for am, he go drop ukpagolo for there, make he dey drop money put. Then the bancomat he go say make he no use any note money take go buy something, make he dey use bancomat take dey buy anything wey she wan buy, because she come e get the way she take put her message for her phone number for the account. Anytime she spend money for the bancomat, he go dey get the alert say dem spend so amount for your account, dem spend so amount for your account. So he say sometimes sef he no get clothes, he wan buy things for children. If you just see say he spend money, go say wetin you go buy, you don see dey buy again, you too dey buy, you no go save money, this and this, that and that. Dey save money o, how much just you don put for the cup, this and this. He go still tell am. If he still come, go carry the money, he go send her go house for one thing or the other wey he go tell am. He say the money sef dem no dey save am for the children. He say come dey tire. Now come talk say I know say this man, when she tell me that time, more na no vex or anything I talk, I don't know whether I wrong or I right, because na as my brain reach, na so I still take advice am that time. Now come tell say as you be dey save so e be good, but me no come understand. Like say you know wetin this money dey go na for good. This one na operation, this one na brother wey carry am come abroad. Okay, this last one na which money you come see, wetin you come see use am do? Now say you suppose to know na, because na you dey work. she dey work like Jackie, you understand. The man go just dey control the money for where he dey for that side. Now it's okay, money wey he dey work for that side, because na work he say he go work. He dey there dey work dey collect money, him own salary how una dey do am? She say no no, na the one wey dem gather for house for here go tell dem say see the one I use this motor, the remaining one keep am for couple. If I come, if he come, he go carry am, go use am, go carry go house. Na so one thing comot for two things, excuse every time. I come tell am say well, na your marriage problem. Me I no fit dey chook my mouth put for person marriage wahala. Wetin I go tell you, open your eye, use your sense. Na only wetin I fit tell you, because I no fit tell you say no give your husband money or no save money for your husband, because women need to support their husband in one way or the other. But for this your own I no understand. Only wetin I go tell you, try to make your husband understand, make you know where this money dey go. If na house e dey use am dey build, so that tomorrow you fit come and say I dey there when you build this house, I dey there when you put foundation, because this one maybe na house e dey use am dey build. Tomorrow now nobody knows tomorrow, somebody else fit just come, the man go tell you say you dey there when I do foundation, you dey there when I do this thing. Now only that one dey try to tell you, let the man know you, because e be like say this your husband na person wey dey get plan, wey dey plan something, but make you know wetin your husband dey plan, because you need to know, because tomorrow now nobody knows tomorrow. Anything happen, you talk say you stand na your money, you contribute or whatever. Now she come dey cry oh. I say wetin? He say wetin dey pain now, say im mama dey suffer. Now say how your mama take dey suffer? He say im mama dey ten ant, say he rent flat for im mama, and that flat wey he rent for im mama na one small girl wey be say the same country wey she dey, na the small girl from come. Na the small girl get the house. He say the girl just come from abroad, you just dey talk to im mama anyhow because im mama never pay rent. I say what? Your mama never pay rent? He say yes. Now I say why you no pay your mama rent? He say as the husband dey baba am for money na, he no dey see money. If you spend money, your husband go shine, na make him no fit pay me. Now I say what? Your own mother? I say with all this story wey you don tell me about your mother suffer for una. If na some women, they for don carry una throw away give one auntie or one sister, even carry una go do house girl sef, waka go Lagos go do all this wey dem dey do, or better still follow one man begin dey born children for the man. But this woman no throw away una. E stand say na una he go train, he leave him body for him husband. He say the worst part of it na him mama even dey cause this problem wey he dey get for her. Say because he come dey tell him mama say this man wey he marry so, he no go fit help you, because this man dey baba am for money. Help to even see 50 euro 100 euro come give you, he dey hard, he dey hide, they can't give you the money. But in dey work, they receive well, but in dey hide, they can't give you money. He say because him husband no dey let am see money for her. He say na be the thing. Say and you dey tell me now say make me dey husband house, but this husband e no dey help matter. He say mama, hey mama good then. To see this kind mama e dey hard. Him mama tell am say no worry, he go manage. I no wan make you comot for your husband house. I no wan make you born for here, born for here. I wan make you born your children for one place. You see me, I born 12 una for one place. Despite say una papa die, I still dey marry una papa in debt. He still dey marry their papa till death do them part. Like he no dey follow another person. He say you need to follow her footstep, because she need to marry her own husband till death. Make she no ever try and say because of that. Say if na the money wey you wan bring for her, na go because of that one leave him husband. Say make he no bring money for her, he go manage anything he see, make he no worry. Now I say for her present, like say she just call enter when the landlady just dey talk to the mother. The thing come dey pain her. Now I say e need to pain you, because you dey work. If you no dey work now, say you no get money, it's a different case. You dey work. How come you no fit help your mother? Even if say na one room or two rooms you build for herself, e go good. You no mean say you need to build mansion for your mother, because this woman, according to the way you take tell me your family story, this woman suffer to train 2 children for that Nigeria without father. E no easy. And now una don grow up for una to help una mother. Now your husband no let you help, and the woman dey just dey take embarrassment everywhere for one small girl hand. Because like say you build one room for her now, all these things for no happen. He say na be the thing, she come dey cry. Now I go tell am say okay, you wan make I talk for this one? He say yes. Now I say okay, I go chook my mouth. That go tell her say how much you dey receive? He tell me. The children benefit, how much? He tell me. He come calculate everything. Money wey dey enter this our sister hand in a month is going to 2,000 or 2,000 plus, if I'm not mistaken. Now come tell am say okay wetin be your expenses for house, e come calculate the expenses. So now we come do plus and minus. She dey watch me now, if I dey lie you go come and come talk am. We come do plus and minus. I come tell am say okay for me I no say make you take my advice but I just dey advise you now. So I tell am that day, if you like you take am, if you like reason am. This money now, use this one for the space and for the house, use this one for the children, keep so amount for savings, then this one go give your mama, make your mama dey gather am. If na land e fit come buy small land, e go buy. Then e start to dey do, even though say na 1 room 2 rooms e fit build, e go dey better now. Say because if you say make you go pay 2 years house rent down for am, now say that 2 years house rent na small thing go comot for inside. You take buy land, before you know that house go still come be your own tomorrow. So I come follow am calculate am like that. I come tell am say make you just see if you fit take this advice or if e go work for you. She come tell me say okay, she come tell me thank you. I come say make she no cry no go solve this problem. Wetin she need to do, she need to help the mother, because the mother really suffer. You know, e no easy for a mother to take care of pikin. Abeg my people, this video go long, una no vex because the story long. So e come tell me say the man still dey beat am. Now say you try make you do wetin no dey make the man dey beat you. So we come cut phone, we no talk. Then after some e no take for year, then e come call me again. E dey call me now say wetin again. Even say me don even forget say me and she even talk, because people dey call. Then she come dey tell me say na she. Now I come remember. Now say how you come waka, wetin come happen? Then she come tell me say as me tell am that time say he take my advice, he come still dey keep savings, he don help him mother, the mother don buy land, they don do foundation. I come tell am say no do big house because that one go take time. Just do small house when your mama go fit dey stay first. Now if you don get enough money, you fit do big house, or if you just do small boys quarter for the back, your mother fit dey stay there first before you see money take do the main house. Because if you dey find main house money, you go take for garage. Now she come tell me say she really do wetin she tell me. Then she come dey send money to house. Say your husband come. As the husband come, meanwhile the husband dey call am how much, just dey call am say money dey there, na him no gree tell am the amount. He say now he come when he come go open the ukpagolo, the cup. He come see say no be the money wey he dey expect, or no be the money wey he suppose to don grow before he come. No be he come the money come small. And the man say wetin you use money do, wetin you use money do? Now he tell the man say he get some issue for Nigeria, he get some things wey he need to do for Nigeria. He send money go house go do the thing. And then wahala start. He start to dey beat am. He beat am. Wetin you use money do? Your own money wey you work o. Wetin you use money do? You no fit save money, you no fit do this one. Wetin you spend money do? He come gat to tell this man say him mama dey rent, him mama dey suffer. The man still dey beat am. He say as he beat am, he no fit. Now he come call security people. Security people come, they look, they comot, they no talk anything. Now I say how they go come, they no talk anything, they just comot. He say if they call them, if they want take action, he go tell them say make they no take action, say you know this and this, that and that. The man come dey beg, they come comot. Now I come say na so that's why when they come so they no gree talk. They look and say the condition still good. Now they comot. I say so you dey call them well before? He say they call them well before because the beat it too much. Now making they call them. He say when they comot, now the man say make come see amala with ewedu soup. Okay, you call them before, say this and this. You don't know say na the quality of this country I get. Wetin you call them feed the next thing, not be small thing. Paka poko, paka. He said he come dey pray make day break. Na so he take pack his children comot for house that morning. As he dey pack his children dey go, then him neighbor call am. Him neighbor tell am say wetin you dey do so? E no good. You dey cover up for this man. The day wey this man go kill you, na you come sabi. He say na wetin her own papa, that is na the neighbor say na wetin her own papa take kill him mama be this. He say na so he small that time. Na so him papa go dey beat him mama. He say when security people go come, him mama go pretend like say nothing happen. They go comot. Na so him papa go continue again until one day na so he come take pass am. You know, wake up again. Then when they come they come carry papa go kirikiri. He say when papa come stay kirikiri, na 5 years na dey live with papa. Now papa don marry another woman, he don get another children. Then when be the mother children dey suffer, dey see amala with ewedu soup. He say sometimes he dey see papa dey pass with the new wife and the children, he go dey look them. He say Betty go dey cry for him mama, say mama time when you take action, you no take action, see where you don dey now. He say na make am dey tell this our sister this story now, because exactly wetin mama dey do that time na you dey do so. This kind thing you need to open up, you need to tell security people so that you don't pass her. If you pass her, now these children go suffer. She wey dey talk to you, so na this country she from come o, she still say amala with ewedu soup. How much more you wey be say you come all the way from Africa, you dey bear all this kind thing. He say a word is enough for the wise o. How dey take speak the Igbo, me I no cut tongue. He say na the woman waka comot. He say he come carry the children come go stay outside, fear no let them enter house that morning. He say na children room na even sleep that day. As dem come dey na tell him come call security people say fear no let him go house o, see wetin dey happen. Then security people come tell am say make e dey come their office. Na so he come go their office. Now dem come tell am say this time around your record don dey for book, you sure for wetin you dey talk, go house. He say no dey go house. Then dem come tell no say this matter is serious. Then dem come talk say okay, dem invite the man, make the man come their office. They will detain the man, make the man sleep for their office. Then she go house go sleep with the children. Then the next day make she come their office come meet the man. Then they will know how they go do the matter. He say so she come comot for there. They come say make she never go out, so they will call her if the man don dey the office. They wan call the man. Really security people come call the man say make he come their office, say they wan see am. Na so the man take go the office. They come detain the man. They come call her say oh yeah, they go house. The man don dey office now. So na so she come take go house. He say before he even reach herself, the new bancomat wey be say he even dey expect, because he change am. He even dey expect, he don even take am put for inside him bag, because he go check it things. He don already see say he don even take am put for inside him bag. He say but he no care. He come enter house, dey inside house with him children. He say all this time when this man take dey travel, sometimes he go spend 1 year, sometimes he go spend 6 months. He say all this time if the man come, the man no dey gree chop apple. He go tell the man say because he no be the woman wey dey waka kurukere. If na 1 year 2 years the husband spend for outside, na so he go dey kokoroko dey wait for am. He no dey waka anyhow. Okay, if the man still come, oh my darling husband don come chop apple. The man say he no dey chop apple again for night, say he don forbid night apple, na afternoon na him dey chop. He come tell am say this afternoon wey you say you dey chop, so afternoon korokoro afternoon wey be say children dey house, na you wan come chop am. Wey be say na the night na we take dey do am before, na the night he take cook. He say wetin he fit do, who see am say he dey talk about say he wan chop, whether he fit do anything wey be say he go dey there like wood. You know say if man don dey chop ogbolo, chop egusi, na there he dey know the one wey dey sweet pass, say na this one sweet pass, na that one sweet pass. Because if you no dey chop, you no go know say this one sweet pass or that one sweet pass. He say he dey there like wood. He say he come tell am say abeg, he dey miss you my husband. He say he no dey chop afternoon apple. He say na so the man talk. So they come take rest. He say come dey the house, so now they come call her the next morning, say make he come, say they don interview the man. Now he go there. He say before he go the security office, he come call the parents come dey call. The mother come call. He come call tell the boy, that is the husband mother, say see wetin dey happen. Now the husband mother come say he hear too much, he himself he don tire, make he leave am, make he still go that kirikiri. If he go that kirikiri, maybe he go learn him lesson. Maybe as he never go since then, na make am never learn him lesson. Make he leave am, make he go that kirikiri, because he call him mama say him wife wan put am for kirikiri o, make dem talk to him wife o. As him wife wan judge matter for am, the parents, the family no support am o. Then the mama say make he leave am, make he go that kirikiri. Maybe if he go come, him eye go clear. He say na so the mother talk. Then he come call the senior sister. Then the senior sister say make he just tell am the truth. Say this him husband, na him papa hand, him papa drink water remain for am. Na him papa hand na him for carry this character because na so him papa dey do. He say their mama brothers wolo, you know how they dey wolo their mama comot for the papa hand. That is it. The mama brother wolo him husband mama comot for husband papa hands. He say because husband papa na so e no dey rest, na so e dey do this woman. The woman sef e don even kpeme finish. Na so the brothers come take wolo am comot for their house. Say so na im blood e dey, nothing wey e go fit stop am. Now say dem don judge the matter, wetin you want from me again? Dem don already judge the matter. Your husband sister dey tell you this matter, so his senior sister say dem wolo your husband mama comot for im papa hand, so you still want make dem wolo you comot for this man hand? I no understand o. Even the mama say make e even still go the kirikiri. If you go, ear go clear. He say he no know whether e go good or e no go good. No, say I no say make you say your husband to kirikiri o, but na you know you go use your tongue count your teeth. You just dey talk am now, you go use your tongue count your teeth. He say so the next day na he come go there. As he reach there, and they come tell am say the man own don too much, despite say she dey cover for am since then. Now dem wan carry am go 2 years kirikiri. Say na wetin dem tell am be that. Na the man come dey beg, he come dey pity the man, and he really love the man. I say okay. He say so na he come tell dem say make dem no carry am go kirikiri, make dem leave the man. Then dem come say what? You say make dem no carry am go kirikiri? He say no, make dem no carry am go. Then dem come talk say oya come sign paper say you are on your own, anything happen we no get hand, we no get leg, oya sign paper o. He come carry paper. He say he come sign. He come dey think say if he send this man go kirikiri, what about the children? Now say my sister, you do well as you no say carry am go kirikiri, but this man go change? That be the question wey I answer. He say even though say he no change, and he no go fit open eye make he go kirikiri. Now say no dey do wetin go make am dey raise him hand on you. Since na like that e be, maybe the fault na from you. That's why I come tell am o, because you understand na, you know say husband and wife matter. If you dey shook your mouth dey put, you go dey suffer. Dey shook your mouth dey put, because na you don take settle to borrow. Because the security people don already say they wan take action. This our sister say no. He come sign paper. Who I be to come talk say why you do like that? I don get power, hair don dey my armpit. So na she wear shoe, na him know where e dey pain am. He say na so dem come leave the man o. As dem leave the man, so he say the man come house. When the man come house, then the man come talk say so you get mind to carry me go security place. I think say I know who I marry. Na today, he come say the beat too much now. Ever since I dey cover for you too much, na make me cry go meet them. He say for that reason the marriage e don finish. He say na so he take pack load, he comot for house. Till now he no come house again. Na so the matter take end. This story wey I dey tell una now, no be say I dey talk am for talking sake, or I dey talk am say I wan talk. I dey use this opportunity, dey use this story, dey tell people say if you get children, know wetin you dey do for where your children dey. Because this man for be a very lovely man. The problem na the way e take grow. Im papa drink water remain for am. Wetin im papa do im mama, na im dey do im wife. Na im mama talk am, im sister talk am, no be me talk am. So na wetin e dey do dem down, because na the way e take grow. Like say I believe say like say im own papa be a lovely husband to im mama, na the same thing for still be to this our sister. Because of say e dey see im papa dey do am, e feel say na the normal thing wey men dey do women, na so e suppose to be. That's why e be say e come still dey do im own like that, and the thing now e don enter im blood, e no let am stop. So make we learn from this story. Please, anything you are doing, even if say you and your wife or your husband dey quarrel for inside house, if your pikin dey there, una pre ten d like say Nobody, I say everybody need to quarrel. Nobody go say they no dey quarrel. All family, husband and wife must quarrel. Any husband and wife wey no dey quarrel, the day wey dem quarrel na that day dem share garri. So if una dey quarrel, una see say children come, if na that normal quarrel, una just see quarrel and e go finish. If una see say na that strong one, make everybody just shock him. If the children don go school, una fit continue una quarrel, no be front of children. That's why you see all these oyibo people, if husband and wife dey fight, husband and wife wey get children dey fight, first of all, first thing, I don't know about country wey una dey o, but this country wey me dey so, this Italy country wey me dey so, this country wey me dey so, if husband and wife dey quarrel, first thing wey security people dey ask, when una dey quarrel these children dey there? If you say yes, let me say water don pass garri o. Na there you don wan collect children for your hand, say you dey teach these children bad character. If you say when una dey quarrel children no dey, dem go settle una. But if you say when una dey quarrel dey fight this fight, children dey there, water don pass garri be that. Because dem no dey allow for this country wey me dey so. Because dem don see many things na im make dem no dey allow, and na truth. I just know say wetin dem do na the best, because adults no need to quarrel for where children dey. Because children dem dey lis ten to your words, dem dey see your action, dem go wan try am. Like I talk before, children they are photocopy of you. Anything you dey do, your children wan do am. If you be dirty person for house, na so your children go still come dirty. If you be person wey dey shoplift, your children go carry. If you be person wey be say you dey read well, every time their papa dey read, their mama dey read, you see say dem carry book too. Wetin dem go dey do? Dem go dey read. So anything you do, na your pikin dey do. So be careful for the way we dey behave for where children dey. Make I stop this video for here. Na here e for end. So I just want you guys to just leave your opinion. Na just story of encouragement to this to everybody, you understand? Because they don already take their decision. The man don carry kaya comot for the house, and the woman sef e get belle, na the third one. Only once wey the man just see chop the apple, okra just grow. Only once o, okra don grow. Na now if you don tell this man say okra don grow, now he say he don let am know say okra grow. Now say okay, I wish you all the best. So my people, na this one now I get to talk o. Anything una dey do, una no, this our brother so na the way e take grow, na so e be. So make we be careful. I just wan use these words as encouragement. You can still leave your opinion. Please share this video. If you share this video, you can be saving soul. I'm telling you, because some people just dey inside this mess now. But if you share this video and they listen, maybe you will save one or two people. So thank you for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I dey there for you. True Dreams with Lady T. If you get anything wey dey bother you, our number dey down there, just call us, we'll be there for you. Or you get any story you feel like sharing with people, you want to encourage people, or you need advice, our number is down there, WhatsApp number. If you call, we not pick, just drop a voice note, we'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video for here, and share and like. Thank you. Bye.